Okay, so here I am in beautiful Turku at the Shift Business Festival with Frans and Eero from FlyAR.
Hey!
So tell me a little bit about FlyAR. What's your mission? What do you do?
So we are an augmented reality studio and we specialize in creating custom AR experiences. And our projects have ranged from like toy packages to artistic art galleries and architectural visualizations and digital vinyl record player and AR skateboard and like
everything that you can imagine requiring AR, we can do.
So tell us, what is FlyAR doing at Shift?
We came to the point cloud and combat demo booth and we planted some trees.
I really like these trees. I think it's awesome. I'm really happy how this turned out. We had to do data processing and then we had to do development. We had to do some visual work, and but overall, I think the project was approximately a month of work, maybe a bit less, but it's spread out over a longer period of time. So it's always working for a client. It requires some flexibility in the scheduling and all this stuff.
And how much did Immersal SDK help?
A lot. Like this wouldn't be possible without it. So with the way we've done this, it requires Immersal tech right now. And I really enjoyed working with Immersal tech, so I don't mind.
we got like the point cloud data from these guys, and we had the SDK. Eero prepared the contents and created the interactions within Unity, and we made like test builds inside our office and of course outside our office because the trees were a bit small to fit inside.
For us, Immersal is the first tech that actually allows like spatial augmentation. So other stuff that we've used like Zappar and other stuff, they are for different purpose. They are for tracking images and making image space experiences. But Immersal allows us to like do it without having a tracking image. I mean, you could do it with different SDKs and stuff like this, but we have come to the conclusion that for us, Immersal is working really well. I'm excited to check out 6D AI because they just released their Android side of their SDK, but we don't have experience with it yet. So we'll see and compare, but
I think definitely it's something to look into as well.
But I think the platform or the SDKs is very dependent on the project description and what the requirements are. So we picked the right tool for the job, and Immersal was the right tool for this one.